Mokga wa UDM, BOSA le wa basebetsi wa NUMSA e tlilo leba lekgotleng le phahameng la dinyewe la North Gauteng kgweding e tlang ho qobella mmuso ho nka bohato ka mathata a motlakase.
It's in this right that we demand that the Minister, the President, the Minister of Public Enterprises and Eskom, that within 7 days of the court order to produce a plan that does a number of things. The first is to explain the measures that it would immediately take to ensure compliance with its obligation under Section 21, subsection 5 of the Electricity Regulation Act 4 of 2006 to ensure that electricity is not reduced or terminated.
The regulator cannot just change the policy just because the president has expressed his wishes or his personal wish. But we are thankful that the president is beginning to feel the pinch. It is going to help if he tells those people in court not to oppose this demand we are putting, that the 18% by NESA must not be affected.
We want electricity tomorrow. We want these rolling blackouts to stop. If the president chose mediocrity of people to advise him, that's none of our business. We're not going to allow jobs of workers to be wiped out and our people being plunged into poverty, unemployment, which will be permanent.